All right, guys. So basically, you can see on my screen, I've got thousands. Hundreds of leads right here on my computer screen, and many details have been found here. And in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT 5 to get all of the data that you're basically seeing on my screen. And this is actually one cheat code that can help you generate thousands of leads every single day without you spending a penny. You should know ChatGPT 5 is free at the time being, and you can leverage this AI tool to get unlimited leads for yourself. Now, let me walk you through the whole process. Alright, so getting leads from ChatGPT is quite easy. All you have to do is to come over to a new tab, and you want to make sure you have ChatGPT 5 opened up already. And you can see I have it open, and basically ChatGPT is free. I tell you it is free. You can use ChatGPT for many things and even for lead generation. So I'm going to be giving you a single prompt that you are going to be imputing into ChatGPT. But right before we use that prompt on ChatGPT, what we want to do is we want to have a source of leads, and ChatGPT is going to help us get and scrape all the leads from the source. Now, the source we are talking about is Google, and I know Google is one of the biggest places you can find a whole lot of information. Contact information of so many persons if you leverage Google the right way. So right here, I'm going to open up a new tab, and right here on my tab, guys, I want you to follow me closely, please. Now, right here on this new tab, I'm just going to open up my notepad, and here on my notepad, I have a single command that I'm going to be imputing into Google, all right, for me to have access to unlimited leads. Now watch this, guys. Now I'm going to open up this place, and I'm going to put in the prompt. Now if you look at the prompt, guys, you're going to be finding that I have 3 extensions basically. The first one is at gmail.com, the second one is at yahoo.com, and the third is at hotmail.com. Now the reason why I'm doing this is that I'm going to be telling Google, all right, to get me a lot of information about clinic. You can see clinic is actually my targeted industry here. All right, clinic, all right, with at gmail.com, all right, with at yahoo.com, or with at hotmail.com. Now you can actually edit all of these things to fit your preference. Let's say you want to work with only at gmail.com, which is dominant. I can just actually remove this ones and leave clinic at gmail.com. If you want to add in more, you can add in anything you want to add in. The more extension you add to this, the more information you're going to be getting from Google. Now follow me closely. I'm going to click on send, and let's see what happens. So right here, guys, you're going to be having Google generate lots and lots of information about clinics I'm having at gmail.com as their extension. Now let me show you what I'm talking about. So if I click on Ctrl F on my laptop and I click on at gmail.com, all right, all those highlighted ones, guys, you can see all those highlighted tests, all right, are the email addresses of clinics. Now if you want to get much more detailed result, I'm going to teach you how to probably scrutinize the list so you can have them from your preferred countries and also much more updated. And if you want to do that, it is very, very simple. For you to be able to do that, you have to just come to this particular section that says tools. You want to click on the tools icon. You want to come over to the advanced search. Please follow me closely. And now right from here, guys, right from here, you can see that our major keywords are clinic, and then you can see that the exact word should be added is at gmail.com. Now if you want to choose your preferred language, maybe you want to work with Portuguese, you want to work with China, you want to work with French, whatever thing you want to work with, whatever language you want to go with, you can actually do that right from selecting it from this particular place. So you want to come over to the language part, and you want to click on any language, so you can choose from the language that you want to work with. So for me, I like working with the general language. I'm just going to click at any language, and right here the second part is the region part, which is for those of you trying to target a particular country. So let's say you want to reach out to the people in the US. It's simple. All you have to do is to come over to this place, and you want to select the particular country, all right, that you want to get your data or your leads from. It's very simple. So me, I'm going to leave mine on how it is, and I'm just going to continue with what I have right here on Google. So what I'm going to do, the next thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to open up as many tabs as possible in a new tab. Okay, open as many tabs, okay, as possible. So I'm going to open the fourth one now, open a new tab. The fifth page, also open it in a new tab. So now once we have all of this opened up in different tabs, okay, we're going to be copying all of the data provided by Google, and this is where ChatGPT is going to be doing the magic for us. Follow me, guys. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to highlight everything, I'm going to copy it, okay. And I'm going to come over to ChatGPT, and now right here on ChatGPT, I'm going to paste in all that I copied from Google. Now I'm going to go over to the second page, and I'm also going to repeat the same thing. Remember, ChatGPT is no source of its own. We're basically leveraging Google to get the result we want using ChatGPT. That's just the whole idea here. So I'm just going to copy this one as well. Okay, come back to ChatGPT. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste it into ChatGPT. Let's do that one more time. Okay, paste into ChatGPT. Now I'm going to come over to the third page. I'm going to select all. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to come over to ChatGPT, and I'm also going to paste in all of that. Now once you've been able to put in all the information right here into ChatGPT, now you want to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. So for me, I have a simple prompt that I have been using, and that is the reason why I've been able to get a lot of information of ChatGPT using the same prompt. And I'm going to be giving you the prompt down in the description box below. So you have to copy the prompt and you have to use it. So when I come back to ChatGPT right here, and the prompt is right here on my computer. Let me just open it up for you to see. So here is the prompt here. So I have this particular prompt I'm going to give to you for free actually. So I'm going to copy the prompt, okay, and I'm going to put it into ChatGPT. All right. So once I put the prompt into ChatGPT and I click on enter, now guys, watch the magic that happens. Watch the magic that happens. Look at how ChatGPT is spitting out. ChatGPT is spitting out leads for us. It's so simple. Just imagine ChatGPT doing all the work for you, And if you want to continue, this is actually a little list, right? You can tell ChatGPT to continue this way. Just click on the word continue and send it, and ChatGPT will keep on doing its work for you. So all that it is asking you to do is to verify if you are basically getting what you want. And if you're getting what you want, you need to just tell it to continue, and ChatGPT is going to continue. It's going to keep on giving you, all right, it's going to keep on giving you access to all the informations we got from Google. So this is actually how you go about generating leads using ChatGPT. Very simple and very easy to do. And mind you guys, you cannot exhaust all the data you're going to be getting from Google. Remember, the more keywords you add, the more results you have for yourself, and the more results you have for yourself from Google, go over to ChatGPT, paste it into ChatGPT, use the prompt, and you are going to be getting lots and lots and lots and lots of information. Now ChatGPT has given us all of this leads. You can see we have the business name, we can see which is a clinic. You can see their email address right here. You can even see their phone number. So let's say you want to reach out to them by cold calling, you can do that, and basically you have their contacts page where you can actually check it out. So let me just quickly open up this one to show you guys what it looks like. So let's see if this is actually real. Open link, and let's see what happens, guys. This is the link we got from ChatGPT, and guys, look at this. You can see this is basically a page of somebody who's into clinic, who's a clinic, and you can see we have their contact page here. Now let's verify if the same email address of what we have here is what we have on ChatGPT. Now you can see this is the email address here, alshayclinic@gmail.com. Now come out to ChatGPT, and you can see it here, alsa.clinic@gmail.com. So you can see ChatGPT is actually doing a great work right here. So making use of ChatGPT 5 is going to make you have advanced searches, and you're going to be doing a lot more than you making use of the basic ChatGPT plan. So it is actually free for the time being, and you can leverage this to start getting thousands and thousands of leads. So once ChatGPT is exhausting all of this, you can tell it to continue until it exhausts all. Continue until you are done. So just simple prompt like this will get ChatGPT doing the work for you. So click on send, and ChatGPT is going to continue. It's going to keep on helping you guys. Look at this. It's going to keep on helping you, giving you data of leads, giving you information that you can use for your marketing purposes, for businesses. And if you have anything else you want to learn using ChatGPT and generating leads, I want you to subscribe right now, because in my next videos, I'm going to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT to start sending bulk emails. And if you want to see that video, you have to subscribe. Now like this video and tell me what you feel in the comment section, and I'll be so happy to hear what you feel about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Please take care of yourself, and bye.